Okay, so we're on the backside of Galaxy, and I'll just kind of give you a feeling for where we are. And, go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're on the backside of Galaxy, and I'll just kind of give you a feeling for where we are. And over there's the train that they're building, and there's quite a bit of construction. The train is construction right here. Then there's this one right here too. It's kind of interesting because they're building an elevator shaft right there. It's kind of interesting. Anyways, and then behind me is Galaxy. And this is the backside of Galaxy. Not the backside, but it's kind of like a corner. So it's pretty nicely landscaped in this area. So you can see all the flowers and the landscape everywhere. So, okay. Then you can see all this construction of these. There's a crane right there. And it's kind of interesting just how many cranes you can see everywhere. There's one there. They're building a station there, so there's another one there. Another one there. That's the Galaxy sign right there. Just get in a little closer again. And then there's other ones. This is Zhuhai over there, so we're on Type by Macau side. So you can see the cranes on quite a few buildings over there. Another crane. So just sitting in one spot. There's who knows how many cranes. There's cranes up there too, on top of this one. So yeah, it's kind of a Type by Macau is kind of a crane-filled city right now. Dang, look at that ladder up there. It just kind of goes way up there. Can you imagine climbing up that one? I don't know why that's like that. If they're, I guess they're building another, I guess that's maybe how they build the stories, I guess. And I'll kind of conclude right here. So this is the Galaxy right here. So this is kind of Galaxy's a pretty big building. Actually, if you go inside, there's all this water areas for playing. Very well landscaped. Giant mushroom right there. Kind of cool looking too. So okay, and we conclude with the Galaxy sign right there. Okay, now I'm on the other side of Galaxy, and there's another crane right here. They're building something right here in this blue space. And then there's a couple cranes over top of Galaxy. There's another blue crane right here. It's in front of Galaxy as well. And then a yellow crane right there. I don't know what that one's going to be. There's a few things right there. I don't know what those things are exactly. Another yellow crane here. Another yellow crane here. Two blue cranes right here. And then you got a little bit of peace from no cranes for a second. And then you got a bunch of cranes over here again. So yeah, all of Taipa's is kind of Craneville, and we hardly went anywhere really. And it's kind of funny because if I go over here, this is the Zhuhai side, and I can see a couple of cranes over there too. So they're basically building things all over the place. And if you're curious, I'm kind of walking down this one path, and this path is used to be where cars would go, but now it's not like that way anymore. So now it's let's see what this. I can zoom in on it. The zoom is kind of slow to focus. And you can see what it is. Yeah, okay. So yep, lots of cranes everywhere. And we'll stop the video there. Craneville all around the Galaxy. Chiquinha, chiquinha.